billionaire, they will love this one. They will love this one, and they will not find anything like this in the market.
Ganda.
This view is just amazing, right?
So,
And then this is, again, it's like a picture right there. And you can see airplane. You can see airplane. Look at, check out this balcony. Imagine you're a millionaire's wife, how can you take this? You definitely will live longer. And then we get the amazing Manila sunset every single day. This balcony, guys, you can play bowling here. Yeah. It's long enough. It's long enough. When you can play bowling.
Good for the need to supply, so jogging pa. You can judge your
have your small
Yes.
party. So,
Yeah. You can have barbecue table chair. You can chill here.
Chill dito.
Every day you can just
chill.
chill here.
Dito kayo, di ba? Chill.
one lane na yung table.
Haba niya.
Very
Ito yung pinaka